Hey guys, my name is Joshua Poshpishal and I'm the marketing manager from KTI Promo. Hey guys, this is our emergency travel auto kit. It's got everything you need if you're ever stranded on the side of the road. You can even take it camping if you want to. You've got a flashlight on the end, a lantern right here, a set of multi-tools right here. There's a knife, a carabiner clip, there's a bottle opener in here. If you're out camping, you can press this button right here and light a fire and everything with it. Then the main feature of this that I really like is there's an emergency power bank built in. So you can plug your charging cord into here. If your phone dies, pull the hand crank out and crank away. As long as you're cranking, it'll charge your phone. When you stop cranking, it'll stop charging your phone. But it'll give you that emergency charge that you need if you're ever stranded on the side of the road or out in the middle of nowhere. For more information, you can go to our website, www.ktipromo.com.